Hello all, in this video let us learn applications of Euclid's algorithm. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe the channel. So example 1.2, exercise 1.1, question number 2 we are going to discuss in this. Applications of Euclid's division lemma. So example 2, show that every positive integer is of the form 2q. So even integer is of the form 2q. That every positive odd integer is of the form 2q plus 1. So odd integer is of the form 2q plus 1 where q is a positive integer. So let us start solving this. Let us consider a be any positive real number, positive integer, and let us consider b is equal to 2. So in the question it is given as 2, you have to show it in the form of 2q or 2q plus 1. So let us consider b value as 2. By Euclid's algorithm, we can write a equal to bq plus r, where 0 is less than or equal to r less than b. Now b takes the value 2 here. So a equal to 2q plus r. So 0 less than or equal to r less than 2. So r takes the value 0, 1. R should be less than 2. So r takes the value 0 and 1. So let us mark the equation as 1. Let us substitute r value as 0 in equation 1. So a equal to 2q plus 0. It will give you 2q. So any number multiplied by 2 will be even number. So a equal to 2q is an even number. Now substitute r equal to 1 in equation 1. So a equal to 2q plus 1. So even number plus 1 will give you odd number. So 2q is even, 2q plus 1 is odd. So if a is of the form 2q, then it is even number. If it is of the form 2q plus 1, then it is odd number. Q plus 1 is odd number. So as per the question, we have showed every positive even integer is of the form 2q and every positive odd integer is of the form 2q plus 1 for some integer. So let us solve example 3. Show that any positive odd integer is of the form 4q plus 1 or 4q plus 3, where q is some integer. Just like the previous question, let us consider a be any positive integer. Let us consider it as positive odd integer. And b value, let us take it as 4 as it is given in the question. We need to show it as 4q plus 1 or 4q plus 3. So b value is equal to 4. By Euclid's algorithm, a equal to bq plus r, where 0 is less than or equal to r less than b. Now we have taken b value as 4. So a equal to 4q plus r. So the condition for the remainder is 0 less than or equal to r less than 4. So r can take the value 0, 1, 2, 3. It should be less than 4. So let us mark this as equation 1. Substitute r value as 0 in equation 1. So a equal to 4q plus 0. Any number multiplied by 4 will be even number. So 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So whenever any number multiplied by 4, it becomes even number. So we can consider A is equal to 4Q is an even number. Next, let us substitute R value as 1 in equation 1. So A equal to 4Q plus 1. Even number plus 1 will become odd number. Next, substitute R equal to 2 in equation 1. A equal to 4Q plus 2. Even number plus 2 will become even number only. Next, substitute R equal to 3 in equation 1. So A becomes 4Q plus 3. Even number plus 3 is odd number. So if you observe, 4Q plus 1 and 4Q plus 3 becomes odd. Same way 4Q and 4Q plus 2 becomes even number. So let us conclude. A can be 4Q or 4Q plus 1 or 4Q plus 2 or 4Q plus 3. So here it becomes odd number when it is 4Q plus 1 and 4Q plus 3. It becomes even number when it is 4Q and 4Q plus 2. So as per the question, we have shown that every positive odd integer is of the form 4Q plus 1 and 4Q plus 3. So odd 4Q plus 1, 4Q plus 3. Let us solve exercise 1.1 question number 2. Show that any positive odd integer is of the form 6Q plus 1 or 6Q plus 3 or 6Q plus 5. Solution. Let us consider A be any positive integer, positive odd integer, and B, let us take it as 6. B equal to 6. By Euclid's algorithm, we can define this as A equal to BQ plus R, where 0 is less than or equal to R, less than B. Here B takes the value 6, so A equal to 6Q plus R, where 0 is less than or equal to R, less than 6. R takes the possibilities 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Mark this as equation 1. Substitute R value as 0. In equation 1, so A equal to 6Q plus 0. It becomes 6Q. Any number multiplied by 6 will be even only. A equal to 6Q is an even number. Now substitute R equal to 1 in 1. A equal to 6Q plus 1. So anyway, even number plus 1 will give you odd number only. Let us substitute R equal to 2 in the same equation 1. A equal to 6Q plus 2. Even number 6Q is an even number, plus 2 will become even only. Substitute R equal to 3 in 1. A equal to 6Q plus 3. So even number plus 3 is odd number. Substitute R equal to 4 in 1. A equal to 6Q plus 4. So even number plus 4 will become even number. Substitute R equal to 5 in 1. A equal to 6 cube plus 5. So it is odd number. So R takes the possibilities from 0 to 5, so we can stop. Now if we observe, even values are 6q, 6q plus 2, 6q plus 4. And odd numbers are 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3 and 6q plus 5. So we can conclude that any positive odd integer is of the form 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3 and 6q plus 5. Hence, when A is odd, it is of the form 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3 and 6q plus 5. Hope you understand the applications of Euclid's division algorithm. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel. Thank you.